So this is pretty interesting. Check this out. So this is PETG. You can almost, well, you can almost hear how fragile it is. I mean, it's very, very thin, very wiggly. But here is PETG with carbon fiber. It's still wiggly, but it's definitely feels, it just feels stronger. It's definitely heavier. Well, I think it's heavier. I don't know. It'd be interesting to fly two different versions, the PETG and the PETG carbon fiber version, and see which one holds up better to crashes, to tuning with some 4S motors on it. Let's see if I can get this with one hand. I think I'm gonna have to, looks like I'm gonna have to sand that a little bit. So that's one thing, it's a little bit more rough on some of these edges where they go together. Not really seeing a easy connection. It wasn't exactly easy to get the PETG ones together either, but it was definitely easier than this. So I don't know, maybe well, all right, and then let's put it on the stand. There we go. And there we go. Definitely a little dull, more dull, right? Not near as shiny. All right, well, that's just something I'm working on. Let me know if you want me to buy some motors and try to make this thing fly.